Greetings to all you art lovers. We welcome you to the latest of our tutorials. Now in this video, we will show you exactly how to draw a cute looking cat using Drawing Desk on an Android tab. Now don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon if you want to see more of our videos. Alright then, let's get drawing. Thank you so much for watching. What would you like to see on our next video? Please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative.